mixed feelings. After the 2019 to 2020 performance season ended, many music performances were held during the season, and each performance was well received by the audience, who greeted us with thunderous applause and flowers. However, just when we were about to return on the eve of the Spring Festival, we faced the most challenging time with the emergence of COVID-19 together with the rest of the world. The COVID-19 pandemic has ruthlessly changed our lives. Both the concert hall and our rehearsal hall were forced to close. Our musicians felt the fragility of life and experienced loneliness while spending days and nights in home isolation. As we watched brave people fight against the pandemic on the front line every day, we realized how powerless music was, but also how uplifting it can be when hundreds of millions of people fulfilled their responsibility by isolating themselves at home. Music is filled with emotions and serves as the fountain of life in loneliness and sadness. Merano Cultural Performances from the U.S. held its first online concert on dozens of live streaming broadcast platforms around the world and garnered over hundreds of thousands of hits. Since then, its performances have become more exciting and popular. Undoubtedly, this is destined to be an extraordinary music season. With such a memorable 2020 and our deep love for the arts, Merano Cultural Performances will welcome new faces who will bring their passion to the performances. It is with such ambition and passion that we have kicked off the new music season. At the opening ceremony of the music season, the audience will be treated to a special erhu performance at the 2021 National Music Festival New Year concert. The performance will involve former orchestra principals of Shanghai Chinese Orchestra, professors and instructors of major music conservatories in China, soloists of China's national art groups, as well as orchestra conductors and soloists of Zhonghua Chinese Orchestra from the U.S. Regardless of the hardship we have experienced this year, we can expect more wonderful performances in 2021. As the new year approaches, we will stage the Spring Blossoms New Year concert for audiences at home and abroad, wishing you a brighter year ahead. The Eagle Flying Dragon Soaring New Year concert has always been the most popular concert for our audience. Merano Cultural Performances will continue to collaborate with VDI Media Inc. to stage the 2021 Eagle Flying Dragon Soaring New Year concert for audiences at home and abroad. Let's enter the world of music, embrace the life of music, and enjoy every concert Merano will stage in the 5th music season.